This week on Made in Arizona, a local company making designer concrete blocks.
Our block company mixes function with art. Fox 10 photojournalist Mark Johnson has more.
So this actually has some really great acoustical properties as well as looking really modern. Hi, I'm Thomas Porter with Our Block Co. Our Block Co was developed by myself and a friend of mine, Will, about probably 6 or 7 years ago. We were looking to create something interesting and different with breeze blocks. So we were really into breeze blocks and modern architecture and the development of materials. And so we started to take more of an artistic approach, creating our own molds and positives and things here in the shop, and making these three-dimensional different versions of breeze blocks that we'd seen in the past, just to give us a new material to work with, something artsy and fun. This one is a reproduction of the Arizona Biltmore block. We also like to push the limits and to test our abilities, and so for us, creating breeze blocks was a way of creating almost like Legos. These were like my new designer Lego piece that I could throw into just about any architectural project. But architecture and design is about taking all these concepts and whittling them down into maybe one object. And it becomes an art piece just as much as it is a piece of material that we're using for the project. It's a little bit more bougie, you know, than just having a squared off pressed block. A lot of the old breeze blocks were what we call extruded, and so they were pushed through a little mold, almost like Play-Doh when you were a kid, and these are cast. They're like a sculpture. So they're a little bit more refined. There'll be that really creamy, smooth texture that you'll see in concrete. And being concrete, it's great for a lot of different purposes. We can use it indoors, we can use it outdoors, and it wears weather really well. Sometimes it's drawing from inspiration from other architects, and then sometimes, you know, you're just laying awake at night thinking, ooh, how could I make something a little cooler and different? This is two-sided, so that the three-dimensional pattern is on both sides. Arizona is a great place to work. It's a great place to have a business. The climate is perfect for what we do. So I can't tell you how many people I've met from just about every state possible that are here. So we've got an incredible mishmash of design ideas and people that will take our materials back with them. So yeah, they want to take a piece of Arizona with them for sure. If something lasts longer, it's more sustainable. So with concrete products like this, we're creating something that lasts generations. We have so many designs kicking around in the head that I'd love to expand some of the designs that we can offer, expand some of the blocks that we offer. We have a lot of plans. We have a lot of big plans.
Very cool. For more Made in Arizona stories, you can scan the QR code on your screen. And if you have a product or know a business made here in Arizona, let us know. We can share your story as well. You can email us at madeinarizona@fox.com.